not know what's going on here, but these two are all of a sudden being awfully friendly. And it's Phoebe who's like trying to instigate playing. And they said the two that tried to kill each other a few months ago, man. That's Gertie, right there. That's Phoebe's little tail going. And she's being all friendly and nice. And what are you doing, you weirdo? What is going on over here, girls? What's the deal? I don't know what that was about. That was a little interlude of friendliness between Gertie and Phoebe and just being sweet. And she's being sweet right now. I don't know what's going on here, y'all. I'm trying to document it because it doesn't happen very often. No, Phoebes, get off. I'm on my recliner and just, no, stop it. Stop. Quit that. Phoebe, stop it. Stop. I'm going to smack you. Knock it off. Psycho. I don't know what that was about, but holy moly, look at those nails. Jesus, Diva. Shame on you. Well, it didn't last for very long, but there was a brief little respite of niceness between these two girls here. I just had to get it on tape for a second.